Okay, hold on. Sorry, trying to change the song. Okay. This is gonna be sort of in my everyday look for a while. I call it metallic golden chocolate, I guess. Doesn't really need a name, but that's what I call it. I'm gonna use the Almay palette, the top two colors. And I already put concealer on in my powder. And we're only gonna use like 3 colors. 3 or 4. Yeah, 3. I usually put that on as a base color, but this time I didn't. But I'm gonna use the golden, the brown from the Almay Trio for Blue Eyes Intense Eye Color thing. And then I'm just gonna use this white here, shimmery white. Then of course eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll do my blush. So, okay, gonna start off. Then I gotta wipe off my brush. Okay, gonna take the gold. You can see that, if you can, with my rounded shadow brush from Avon, my crease brush, because this will help get into that corner. Gonna put it into the inner half of the eyelid. We're gonna seriously like pile that thing on. Going a bit past the middle, sort of like covering it 2/3 of the way. We're gonna get a lot. To me, the colors don't look shimmery, they look, well, the gold and the brown, they look more metallic. Go a bit past the crease. Put on a lot because it'll sort of fade. I was gonna do an entry for Fafina X3's, Aubrey, for a contest, but I don't really have anything that would look like her looks. Hold on. Okay, wipe that a bit with the regular brush, just pat it to get all the excess off, then put on one more layer. Okay, wipe off your brush. And we're gonna take the brown. Just start off slow with it because it's pretty dark. Just focus on that outer corner. Slowly bring it in towards the gold. And we're gonna blend away the harsh lines in a minute. Now, get some into the middle. Sweep along your lower lash line a bit. Bring a bit more into the half. I secretly love this song. It's just, it started out weird to me, but hold on. Okay, now we're going to take a bit more of the gold, apply it over the crease, blend it into the brown that's over the crease. Okay, then we're going to take a gold brush, get some gold. No, wait, no, not the gold yet. Get some brown of the same color we just used. And line your lower outer lash line 2/3 of the way. Leave the inner third empty. Wipe that off, and then line the inner third with the gold. And I'm doing this dry, so be careful. But you can do it wet. And sort of sweep it into where the brown and the gold meet. Okay, gonna do that brown again. Make it pop. I doubt you can see me right now. Sorry. Gonna do the gold again. Soften the brown with it. Gonna wipe over that with our crease brush. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do my highlight. My highlighter brush and the shimmery white. It has a slight shimmer, just get a little bit. Sweep it into the brow bone and a bit above the crease. Didn't put enough brown on here. Oh well. Gonna curl my lashes. I was supposed to see Batman Dark Knight, but every single theater is sold out right now. Whatever. So I decided to make tutorials. Catch up. Now, I usually use my L'Oreal Voluminous Natural in Blackest Black during the day. But now I'm gonna use, right now, my Rimmel London Lash Mix in Extreme Black. trying to concentrate on the outer lashes. Okay.